SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to update iOS on iPhone 16. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. Periodically, Apple will release updates to its iOS operating system that fix problems and add new features. If your iPhone has some updates available, then you can install them by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the General option, and then you can choose Software Update at the top of this menu. That's going to take you to a screen like this, and if you have an update available, then it should show the current update number, and depending on your phone's current status, this might say download, download and install, or it could say update now or update tonight. If you're ready to install the update now, you can choose whichever option is most appropriate for your situation, or you can choose the update tonight option if you want the update to install overnight. One other important aspect of this screen to be aware of is the automatic updates option. If you want to enable this so that your iPhone automatically downloads and installs these updates, then you can just tap on automatic updates, and then you can go here and make sure that iOS updates is turned on under automatically download, and that iOS updates is turned on under automatically install. You can also choose whether or not to enable the security responses and system files option. I usually keep this on, but that's up to you. So if you have all of these turned on, then your iPhone is going to download and install updates automatically when they're available, and this is usually going to occur overnight when your phone is connected to a charger.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.